Hello everyone and welcome back to YouTube channel Asha Talks. So guys, in this video I'm going to tell you about an amazing opportunity from Capgemini. So if you belong to 2022 pass out batch, you can apply to this opportunity. If you are from BE Tech, ME Tech or MC candidates passing out in 2022 pass out graduate, you can apply for this job role. Okay, so guys, as you can see on the screen, I recently uploaded an amazing job role opportunity from Infosys company for 2022 batch. So if you haven't watched this video, you can watch this video. I will link this video in description. Okay, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel for latest job updates, interview preparation and exam preparation. Okay, so let's get started to the video. As you can see on the screen, Capgemini Acceler pooled campus drive for engineering MCA graduates. Okay, 2022 batch. Okay, so this is an amazing opportunity from Capgemini. You can see campus drive. Okay, so here you can see on the screen there is every details mentioned here. First of all, talking about eligibility criteria. So guys, candidates graduating in 2022 batch only. So this opportunity is only for 2022 batch. And academic qualification, talking about academic qualification, if you are from BE Tech and MCA, open for all branches for both BE and BTech. So if you are from any branch like civil, mechanical, ECE, IT, CS, every branch is eligible. Okay, so you can apply for that, and MEM Tech students can also apply. Open only for IT, information science and computer science branch. Okay, for MEM Tech students, and should have 60% and above in diploma and graduation, and MC aggregates of 5 semester MEM Tech. Okay, so guys, there is no percentage criteria for 10th and 12th. There is only criteria for diploma and graduation. Okay, so 60% is the eligibility criteria, but there is no criteria for 10th and 12th. Okay, so if you have less than 60 in 10th and 12th, then also you can apply here. Candidate should not have more than 1 year of gap between academic milestone stages. Okay, so you should not have more than 1 year of gap. Okay, and there are 10th, 12th degree and post graduation academic milestone stages considered. Okay, so here you can see. Okay, there are various details mentioned. Candidate should not have any backlogs at the time of appearing for the process. Okay, so you should not have any active backlogs. Okay, and there is one thing mentioned. You should be flexible to relocate to any Capgemini location, work across technologies, domain role, and should be ready to work in shift if required. Okay, so if you have selected for Capgemini, suppose if you are selected, then you have to relocate. Okay, so you should be flexible to relocate. Okay, this thing is mentioned there, and there will be basic service level agreement you have to sign at the time of joining. Okay, and if you are shortlisted, you will be invited for the test assessment and the selection process. Okay, so everything will be virtual, like test, interview, everything will be online, virtual. Okay, so candidate who have already attempted Capgemini Campus 2022 assessment will not be eligible to apply and will not be processed further. So if you have applied for Capgemini recently on campus, so you cannot apply for here. Okay, you cannot apply here. And the last date to register is 15 December. So 15 December is the last date. So there will be assessment will be scheduled starting from 18 December. So please be prepared for that. Okay, so apply as soon as possible. And here you can see selection process. Talking about selection process, first step is technical assessment pseudocode. So in this first step, they will ask about pseudocode. Okay, this is a technical assessment. And second stage is multiple choice question based English communication test. Okay, so second is English communication test, and step 3 is a game based aptitude test. Okay, so, and the fourth is behavior competency profiling. Okay, so all the assessment process in the all the assessment process, all the steps are elimination round. Okay, so please be prepared. Okay, and the last is technical and HR interview. Okay, so step 5 is technical and HR interview. Okay, so you have to go through all these steps to reach to technical and HR interview. So here are all the details mentioned how you can apply. Simply click on register now. If you click on register now, you will be redirected to this website, like Superset website for registration. Capgemini Engineering MCA batch 2022 pooled all branches. Okay, all branches can apply. 4 LPA will be the package provided for you, and the one-time incentive will be 25,000. Okay, if you completed 1 year in organization. Okay, so we have already talked about eligibility criteria. Hope so you already have Superset account from your college. If you don't have any Superset account, okay, you simply click on apply now and register for the Superset account. Okay, so here you can apply for this job role. So guys, if you find this video informative and useful, please like the video and please share with your friends. Thank you.